Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you some things very beautiful and useful a crochet washroom set. This is perfect to decorate your bathroom and make it look special, and the best part, it's easy to make even the beginner. So let's get started. Yarn use cotton for recycle yarn any colors you like. A crochet hook size 4 mm and 5 mm is good. A pair of scissors and tags and yarn needles. A toilet set cover. A mat is front of the toilet. A mat is front of the sink. Tissue box covers and some things. And a light cover for the toilet tank. You can make all or just one or two, it's up to you. Friends, make a slip knot, Chinese 14 stitches. Single crochet in the sound chain from the hook. Keep going until the end of the row. Chain one, turn your work and crochet back. Friends, repeat this for about 13 stocks. Now you have a percentage where you can stop here or add a border for the border. Friends, as a double crochet all around the area. Want to make it look fancy? Change colors every few rows. Single crochet around the chain, turning at the end. When you reach the end, add 3 single crochet in one stitch to make a round curve. Now